That's so beautiful. That's just beautiful. Anyway, did you find anything you'd like to check out? Yeah, baby. So, where did this cat come from? Is it yours? IDK. It's always been there. Just standing still? It walks around sometimes. Does it have a name? God. Good name. It's a lamp. Enlightening. Oh god, spiders. A dead bash. No need to beat around it. He was a proud father of 16 cats. Wow. It's a lamp. Enlightening. I love it. I love it. Beautiful. I love you, kitty. It says, please stay off the grass. Purgatory parks and reclamation. Okay, that was a bit of a stretch. A leaf. Why will anyone leave this lying around? Why will anyone indeed? X wins! Just kidding. It's a draw. A crack. Guess the afterlife is not Alice crack it out to be. Isn't this the cat from the other room? Rain boots. More leaves. I can't believe you're not out of puns yet. I can't, game. Please game, have mercy. A stick. You know the drill by now, right? Why will anyone stick this in a bench? What's up? Not much. I think I might be dead. Not sure if anyone's told you this yet, dude. But, we're all dead. Well, excuse me, not everyone's a smarty pants like you. Hey now, my pants are of totally average intelligence. So Falco, tell me, what's a cutie like you doing in a purgatory like this, huh? Huh? Why got you sent down here? Everyone's here got a story. Knowing me, it was probably something like annoying people to death, okay? Annoying people to death. She died like she lived. Unremarkably. This one just says, be right back. How about you, Shen? Why are you here? Oh, me? Too much sex. It will have been a crime to let out that booty go to waste. Someone dug out a floor tile here. Yeah, flirt. This game. Tell you what, Falco. You're gonna love it here. I don't know, Shin. That coming from you kinda feels like a threat, I'm not gonna lie. This game knows me way too well. You like pants, right? Obviously. Then you two are gonna get along great. I see. I'm open to the possibility. I love this game.